Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set a profile picture to your Pinterest account on the pinterest.com website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website and then go to your homepage. Go to the right side, and at the top you can find this your profile button, so tap on it, then click on edit profile, tap on public profile on the left side and click on the change button in the photo section, tap on choose photo, and then from your files you should be able to select a picture, and then you can set it as your profile picture in a few seconds. It will be uploaded and updated as you can see here. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.